we all have is time. Time is precious. Time is money. Time is value. But in Toastmaster, time is tested. If you exceeds your allotted time, you will be disqualified. So I urge you all you to align your speeches and evaluation within the stipulated time. Please note down the timing of the each assignment. So speeches for table topic should be remarks not more than 2 minutes. At 1 minute, I will raise the green card. At 1 minute and 30 seconds, I will raise the yellow card. At 2 minutes, I will raise the red card. Since there is no icebreaker speech today, I am moving to prepared speech. It should be 5 to 7 minutes in length. At 5 minutes, I'll be raise the green card. At 6 minutes, I will raise the yellow card. At 7 minutes, I'll raise the red card. And the individual evaluation should be between 2 to 3 minutes. At 2 minutes, I will raise the green card. At 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I will raise the yellow card. At 3 minutes, I will raise the red card. As our energetic TMOD said, we should delete the negativity. Of course, we should stay away from the negativity. But in case of Corona, it should be negative. Then we can stay as positive. Back to TMOD. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Raimo. And I would request all the speakers, in particular, to pin the timer during their sessions. Okay. Now, secondly, I would like to introduce another dashing young man. And I think our club is filled with many dashing people. So this man is a true gentleman, a senior accountant at Zane Jewelers, and is ever ready to show his love for Toastmasters. This gentleman is also a past president of the club, and he also hails from God's own country, which is Kerala. Please join in and welcome Toastmaster Shah Jahan.
Thank you, Toastmasters of the Day, and my dear fellow Toastmasters and guests. Tonight, I am the grammarian, accounter, and listener. 3 roles are there. First of all, I will speak about the grammarian role. Grammarian role as Toastmasters meeting. We all are here to improve ourselves in our communication, and grammar plays crucial role as all we know. So make better usage of the words and sentences to communicate well. Maybe we may able to communicate some occasions, but to communicate perfectly in a better manner, we have to have the correct grammar usage in our speeches or whatever way of communication that we do. Tonight, the word of the day selected is etiquette. It's a noun. Its meaning comes customary code of polite behavior in society or members of a particular profession or group. I will read one of the usages of that word. He showed his contempt for social etiquette by not wearing a tie. The word quite a new word maybe for many of us, but still I request everyone to try to use the word of the day. Particularly if you get a table topic, no, you have to use it. There the challenge, real challenge lies. And I will move on to the accounter role. Accounter role is, you know well that how the ahs and ums that we use whenever we are speechless, whenever we are searching for something, or whenever we want to think and bring some ideas to fill the gap, we use some repeated words as ums, but these are not nice. To avoid that, we have to think fast and respond in limited time. I'll be counting that as well as my assignment as a counter, and request everyone to avoid as much as possible the as and ums or whatever filler words that you use. And the third role of mine is listener. This is particularly a new role that I'm doing I think this is recently introduced in our Toastmasters program, and it's quite nice assignment. And tonight I will be noting down some points, and I will be asking at the end of the session, so that you can come back with the reply for that. That's all. Back to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you so much for accepting these 3 roles and giving us a brief introduction. Okay, and finally, it's time to tackle our funny bones. And who better is it than to do the role than the gorgeous one who showed us all what she can do by doing the Toastmasters of the Day session last meeting. She was born and brought up in Bahrain, although she hails from Mangalore. She is currently working as an operations manager in a contracting company and also completing her ACCA. She loves to explore new places and loves to try new cuisines as well. Please welcome our joke master of the day, Toastmaster Harisa D'Souza.
Thank you, Toastmaster Julian. A day without laughter is a day wasted. Laughing is and will always be the best form of therapy. Good evening, my fellow Toastmasters. My classmate, in his youth, professed his desire to become a great writer. So we all asked him, what do you mean, or what would you define great as? And he went on to say, he wants to write stuff that the whole world would see, and stuff people would react to on an emotional level, stuff that brings out various emotions like rage, pain, screams, anger, everything. So a few months back, I got in touch with him and I went on to ask him, did you achieve your goal? Did you become a writer? And he goes on to say, to my luck, I work at Microsoft and he writes error messages. So yeah, this is what he's doing right now. Last year, we had attended a wedding. And it was the first time my little cousin, who's around 4 years old, this was his first time he was attending a wedding. So we thought, let's put him to test and see how well was he paying attention to the wedding ceremony. So after the service, we went on to ask him, how many women can a man marry? And he goes on to say immediately, 16. And we are like, oh my God, 16? How? So out of curiosity, we went to ask him, why did you say 16? And he goes on to say, easy, all you have to do is add up whatever the priest said. And the priest said, for better, for worse, for rich, for poor. So recently, my granddad was working on the computer and he needed a document. So he asked me casually, like, Harisa, can you print this for me? Can you tell me how to print this document? And I go on like, Control T. I said, Control T to him. And to which he responded, I've tried a lot, but it doesn't print. So do you all know, why do computers make such good parents? They say they are very good parents. Anybody? Why do you think computers make very good parents? Let me tell you, because they all have motherboards. Okay, going further, a man had observed a woman in the grocery store with her 3-year-old kid. As they passed the cookie section, the child asked for cookies and the mother blankly said no. So the little girl, obviously, if you say no to a little girl who wants cookies, she's going to throw tantrums. So she went on to say, no, I want cookies. And the mother still goes on to say no. And then she quietly says this. Now, Ellen, we just have half of the aisles left to go through. Don't be upset. It won't be long. So this man, he looks at it and he wonders, okay. And then a little while later, when they're at the checkout, he again happens to be behind this pair. And then, you know how these shopkeepers and the malls and all attract kids by keeping candies at the, counters. So again, the girl started to throw a tantrum that she wants a candy. And then the kid says, oh, I want that. Everything looks attractive to them. So then the mother again says, no, today we're not going to buy any candy. And then the mother goes on to say, Ellen, we'll be through this. Check out in 5 minutes. Then you can go home and sleep peacefully. So out of curiosity, this man follows back behind the pair, the mother and the daughter. And he goes on to appreciate this mother, and he goes and says to her, I couldn't help but notice how patient you were with little Ellen. And then the woman goes on to say, my daughter's name is Tammy. I am Ellen. So, can anyone guess what an air conditioner and a computer has in common? Maybe. Give it a wild guess. Let me tell you, they both lose efficiency as soon as they start opening windows. Give it a thought. Don't you think so?
Yes. Correct.
Anyways, over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
That was a wonderful session. No, I think all of us loved it. Okay. And now it's time for our prepared speeches. Okay, so first let me call upon the youngest Toastmaster of the club and someone who's always smiling and enthusiastic. She's attempting her level 2 project 2, and her speech title is The Potato, Egg and Coffee Bean. Quite unfamiliar title, yeah. But first, let me call upon her evaluator, Toastmaster Vijay Nayak, to read out the objectives.
Good evening once again. Our next speaker is attempting her second project in the pathways, and the speech the purpose of this project is for the member to practice the skills needed to connect with an unfamiliar audience. I repeat, the purpose of this project is for the member to practice the skills needed to connect with an unfamiliar audience. I wish the speaker all the best.
Okay. So now let me call upon the speaker in particular, Toastmaster Andrea Lewis.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Little louder.
Okay. So,
Thank you.
the same water that softens the potato hardens the egg. Good evening, Toastmaster of the day, fellow Toastmasters, and all my guests. Life is the second name of struggle. And in this creation that we live, from the tiniest creature to the largest animal, they all go through a struggle in life. Be it the caterpillar, which struggles its way without eating and makes itself a cocoon until it's formed into a beautiful butterfly and it flies its way out. Or a young bird which has to be thrown or has to fall by itself. So it has to learn how to fly instead of struggling. Or just as humans, a young toddler who's learning to walk, or any of us who's trying to make it up and get a promotion, or a student who's trying its best to get its grades higher. We all have a struggle. Well, everyone has a struggle and they all reach to the success point. And it's attractive. But no one sees the struggle behind it. And that's what everyone needs to know. Well, here's a story, and just like we all know, everyone likes to hear a story. So just as it, I may begin with the once upon a time phrase. So once upon a time, there was a girl who who went up to her father and said, "Father, I'm done. I can't take this anymore. I have a lot of struggle. Once I solve one problem, the next one is over here. What do I do?" So the father, being a chef, takes her to the kitchen, puts up 3 stoves filled with water and kept them to boil. After 5 minutes, when it started boiling, he placed a potato in one. In the second one, he placed an egg. And in the third one, he placed some coffee beans. He left it to boil. The girl became very eager. She didn't know what to do. She was looking at her father with no idea. 20 minutes later, the father went off and he closed the stoves. He placed in one bowl the potato, in one bowl the egg, and in the other he poured the coffee. He asked the daughter, "What do you see?" So she said, "The potato, the egg, and the coffee." He asked, "Go, watch carefully at the potato and touch it." She saw the potato had become soft. Then he went and said, "Now have a look at the egg and break it if you can." She broke it and removed the shell to see the egg had hardened. And then he said, "Now look at the coffee." She took the cup in which the coffee was poured. She brought it to her face to have a sip, and it brought a smile to her face. So she asked, "What is this about? I don't understand." He said, "You see, the potato went in hard and came out as soft and delicate, while the egg went in delicate and came out hard. The coffee, it went through something and changed the water instead and came out as something very surprising. But if you see one thing in common, all 3 went under one same controversy, which was the boiling water. And all came with different outcomes. So I would like to ask you today, what are you trying to be? The potato, which shows a man trying to go on the struggle road. And then when he reaches his final point on the destination, he comes out weak, delicate, because of the struggles he has gone through. Or do you want to be like the egg, which goes in delicate, doesn't know what to do, but because of the struggle it's facing, he comes out hard, stiffened, tough? Or do you want to be like the coffee beans, who has molded its struggle in its own beautiful way, just like the clay person makes the clay into a beautiful vase and molds it? When a person is friendly with its struggles, he enjoys the way and the path with happiness. He is enthusiastic as he takes the road. And when he reaches the final point, he receives a success, an achievement which he enjoyed, and it accompanies him. When we fight through the struggle, we find out our strengths and our weak points. So with that, I'll leave you with a question with which only you can find the answer to. When adversity knocks at your door, how do you face it? Are you the coffee bean? Are you the potato? Or are you the egg? Over to you.
Okay, that was a wonderful speech. And now I'm kind of thinking about whether I'm a potato, egg, or coffee. Okay, and it seems that we have two guests who are not, or I'm not sure, who's Galaxy Tab A? I'm not sure. Okay, so let's just move on. Okay. Second speaker is someone who loves cooking and likes to try and experiment new recipes on her husband. And according to her, he's sweet, so he always compliments her, saying that it's always nice. She loves to go on weekends for movies and is a fan of the daily soap operas. So kindly help me in welcoming Toastmaster Shweta.
Evaluation.
No, yeah, sorry. Yeah, okay. Can I request her evaluator to tell her objectives? No.
Yes, thank you, Toshmaster. Thank you, D. My speaker in particular, good evening, fellow Toastmaster and distinguished guests. And my speaker in particular, this will deliver a well-organized speech on any topic and incorporate feedback from her previous speech evaluation. The speaker may choose to present the same speech or new speech. The speech may be humorous, informal, or any style the member chooses. Apply all the feedbacks, whatever has been given from the last speech, and allotted time to 7 minutes. All the best to my speaker. Back to TM Modi.
So now let's all welcome Shweta Sunilkumar.
Thank you, Toastmaster Julian, for your ever smiling introduction. I have a niece. Her name is Raksha. She's darling of our family. She's very studious, intelligent, and she's very, very naughty girl. And she's also very active in doing TikTok videos also. I every time see her, I just call her, she's the dramatic queen of her family. In spite of this, she's very studious and she's also having very good academics background. She always scores 95 to 97%. One thing I have observed many times, in spite of scoring 95 to 97%, she's not happy. She keeps on worrying because she could not make up to the mark. On the other hand, I see her neighbor who has just scored 35 to 40% with a grace mask, and this guy, he comes home with a smile on face, full of happiness, dancing, and along with a box of sweets also, as if he has achieved a Nobel Prize. So, fellow Toastmasters, while girls are always higher in studies and boys are always poor, fellow Toastmasters, Toastmaster of the day, and distinguished guests, a warm good evening to all. So, what I am unable to process is her behavior. In spite of scoring 100 out of 100 in couple of subjects, but I have never seen happiness on her face, because she always wants to score 100 out of 100 in all subjects. So I think Similarly, we all more or less tend to behave like my niece in our daily life. Fellow Toastmasters, we all are blessed in one or the other way, and we all have so much of blessings with us, and we are completely blind towards it because we always keep on constant worrying and few shortcomings and occasional dejections. So in order to be happy, we should always thankful, and we have to always count our blessings. So as per this information, if we are staying under a roof and we are having a 3 times of a food per day, I think we are almost blessed than the others. So we have to stop worrying and we have to thank for that whatever we have. So in order to thank and we have to make our approach towards the bigger picture, we should start counting our blessings to start and to, and we have to keep on expressing our gratitudeness and artfulness. So they say, fellow Toastmasters, they say, when we count our blessings, the blessings will count us and it keeps on increasing. So while I say this, I would like to share a personal instance. Recently, there was a news in GDN which was posted in FB, that is a survey about tenants and the owners during this pandemic situation. Most of the 79% of the owners, they have not reduced their house rent. So there were many comments in the comment section, like with a bad taste. Many of were expressing their comments like their owner has just did not care about the tenants for reducing the rent. So while going through that comments, I just felt how lucky we are, because our owner, he not only just reduced the rent for 3 to 4 months, he never pressured his tenants to pay the rent, and he always allow us to delay and he always allows to delay for more than 1 or 2 months. He never puts his pressure on the tenants to pay the rent. So fellow Toastmasters, after seeing that, we felt that how much blessed we are. So we took a chance to express our gratitude to about our owners. So we thought of posting a gratitude comment in the comment section. So after that, I took a screenshot of that message and I shared that to our building manager. And I requested him to share the gratitude comment for our building owner. So after seeing that, I literally think that we are so much blessed in this pandemic situation, so that we have been with such a kind owner. So after our building manager, he acknowledged the message and he just replied us back with a after an hour. As he said that he expressed his thankfulness to us, and he also said that he's going to reduce the rent for 3 more months. So fellow Toastmasters, as I said, we have to keep on counting our blessings. The blessings will count us and it keeps on increasing. So I felt that actually it is a true. So for me, fellow Toastmasters, I think Toastmaster is really one such blessing, because in this pandemic, we cannot go outside and we cannot meet each other. So Toastmaster has bought windows to each other's house, so where we can meet and greet each other through these virtual meetings. So I take a chance to express my gratitude and thankfulness to the Toastmasters. So I thank Toastmasters. Thank you, and over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.
That was a wonderful speech as well. Okay, now it's time for the pathway session, which will be held by, oh my, our very own, our very own ladies man, president, who's already known, throughout more than half of Bahrain already. Please welcome President Toastmaster Roshan Lewis.
Thank you very much, Toastmaster of the day. And it is my pleasure to take a brief journey on Toastmasters. I mean, the pathways, Toastmasters pathways. So let me share my screen. Can you all see my screen? Okay. So most important thing, pathway session, it takes minimum 40 to 45 minutes to understand it, but I will briefly go through it within whatever the allotted time, 25 minutes. Timer, if I missed a screen, kindly, when 5 minutes are there, kindly voice message, you can update me the time. Thank you very much. So coming to the pathways, there are senior members who already know the pathways, and there are also people who are here newly joined who may be very much interested to know the pathways. So in this my session, I'll be covering 4 important points. One is know the pathway, pathways, path and projects, the levels and projects, and if time permits, I will log into online and show you briefly the demo of pathways, how we will do it in our online portal. So are you ready? You can unmute yourself. What is pathway? Can anybody tell me? You can unmute yourself. My session will be dialogue, not monologue. Can anybody tell me what is pathways? Hello?
To be frank, no idea.
Thank you for that answer. I appreciate. Anybody? Okay, let me tell you, it's very simple. That is educational program of Toastmaster International. To add precisely, it is online educational program of Toastmaster International. Why? Toastmaster International, we believe in regular learning, updating skills in terms of communication, in terms of leadership. So all this clubbed together into a wonderful online cost-effective program that's known as Pathways program. So what is Pathways? Let me give you the idea. In this Pathways, entire this program, there are 11 paths. That is just like 11 subjects you can go through. These are various paths, includes different attitudes, different aptitudes, different learning skills, different modalities. Like dynamic leadership, one of the path which I have done, and engaging humor, another path which I'm doing now. And you can see leadership development, motivational strategies, strategic relationship, visionary communication, so many paths are there, total 11 paths. Now what these paths contain, as I said, every path, it has been tested and debated and finally put it in our education basket. Whenever you do this path, I'll in successive slides, I'll tell you what is in pathways. Whenever you do pathway, these paths, there are 5 important competencies we learn. One is public speaking. Second is interpersonal communication. Third is strategic leadership. Fourth is management. Fifth is confidence. So every path has got these hidden core competencies. If you say dynamic leadership, there is a public speaking, you learn to speak. Interpersonal communication, you will learn how to do that in the project when you do this. Strategic leadership, the types of leadership, how you develop that leadership, there are the projects. Management, there are some elective projects where it will help you to grow your management skills. And of course, confidence, because 14, 15 speeches you have to do in one path, 100% for a new person who joins, he has to gain a lot of confidence. I assure you, these paths will enhance your confidence level. Coming to each path, very, very descriptively, I will go through that. First path, let's talk about dynamic leadership. When you select this pathway, I'll tell you how to select the pathway in my successive slides. You learn how to be a strategic leader, how to be a negotiator, and how to use resolution skills. All these projects in path are concentrated, focused on these skills. Second one, you can see effective coaching. Positive communicator, leader and coach styles can be learned here. Understanding and building consensus. This is very important. And better understanding of interpersonal communications. See, all these parts, as you go, it will be useful for your daily life in type of your professional or in a personal or communication style. And some parts have got very, very important high performance leadership project, HPL project. That will be known when you unfold these parts. Not all parts have HPL project. Many questions I get, the doubts, is there HPL projects compulsory? Only 3 parts HPL projects compulsory, rest all HPL project is not compulsory. And one more path is innovative planning. With this path, when you do learn in Toastmasters, you will understand how to be a public speaker, leader and project manager, strong audience connection, and also it helps you to speech writing and delivery. This is one of the most beautiful paths which really takes care of communication, leadership, connecting audience, and scripting your speech. That's very important. Coming to next part, motivational strategy, which helps us to how to gain a skills of powerful and effective communicator, building connections with people around you, developing public speaking skills. And next part is leadership development, effective communicator and leader. Sorry, I gone back. I'm sorry for that.
Sorry.
Okay. So leadership development, public speaking leadership skills, and persuasive influence. This also part teaches us how to negotiate a positive outcome. There are some projects which you work on negotiating skills and create innovative solution to solve challenges. Presentation mastery, effective public speaking skills, speech writing, and gauge the audience response and connect better with the audience. Always we say in Toastmasters, not only we, Toastmasters International says, whenever new Toastmaster, when he starts first path, kindly select presentation mastery, because this is a basic of all paths. You learn effective speaking skills, you learn writing a speech, you learn also connecting and engage the audience response in this project, whatever it is there in this path. Then coming to strategic leadership, you understand networking, you understand PR strategy. Also, you'll understand as how to lead an voluntary organizer. There is one project which you run as a voluntary organizer, how you run as a leader. Then team collaboration, collaborative leader you will learn in this path, interpersonal communication skills and public speaking skills, and visionary communication. In this innovative solution in communication, you will learn developing a long-term personal and professional goal. You will learn skills for sharing information, how that also you can learn in this path. And finally, engaging humor. It's more on how to develop your humor. I am very weak in humor, actually. That's why I took my second path as engaging humor. And I pass comments when out of context, not as a speaker, but creating a humorous speech is very tough. So that has been very nice. I got few feedbacks during my evaluation session. So it is engaging humor. It helps you how to build your humorous speech as a public speaker. So in toto, I just gave you the differences of and the attributes of each path. Now, to end of this, each path, now you understand, Pathways is a program. It has got 11 paths. Each path has 5 levels. So it is around total project, in the sense, total project in one path, each has 5 levels. So first level 1, level 2, level 3. Today our 2 speakers did level 2 and level 3. I mean project level 1, both did level 1. The projects were 2 and project 3. So in the first level 1, level 2, level 3 of all projects work on communication, how to develop our communication. Then next 2 parts always talks about how to develop communication and leadership projects. So these are the 5 levels. So each path contains 14 projects. Out of this, 10 are required, mandatory, you have to do in 14 projects. But out of other 4 are electives, you can select. Like your subjects, in MBA or online program, you elective. Same way, you elective. But there are around 30 projects. Out of that, you have to select 4. So there's a wide variety of selection and you have more choices. 10 must, 4 electives. Total 14 projects, you have to do 15 speeches in one path. Just imagine, you will be speaking around minimum 100 minutes. That's almost 1.5 hours in 15 speeches in one path. So what will be a development or facing audience? So let me briefly understand how these levels go, which I already explained. Level 1, it works on mastering fundamentals. Normally in this level 1, first speech will be icebreaker. You will talk about yourself to the crowd. So first speech, you already spoken, yes, but the technique here is you have to speak only 6 minutes. So time management is very important. How you see, we can talk about myself for hours and days. It's very easy, but how you bring that into 4 to 6 minutes, that's very important, what we learn in first speech. Time management, content shrinkage, and put it in a right basket and give it to the audience. So that's the first thing. Second, you have here evaluation and feedback. You do evaluation, I mean, you do speech in one of the topic, you repeat it, take the evaluation, do it, and also give a assignment as evaluator. And third is research and presentation. First level. Level 2, your leadership style, communication style, and introduction to Toastways mentoring. Level 3 increases your knowledge, especially different projects are there, elective starts coming in. Level 4, it's mainly on your building your skills. Level 5, demonstrating expertise. So these are the levels. Each levels have different attributes. So project 1, I already discussed. In your first level, project icebreaker, project evaluation and feedback, project 3. So in first level, you will have one speech, project 1. Project 2, you will 2 speech 1 and speech 2, then 1 evaluation, project 3, 1 speech. So total in first level, you will have 4 speeches and 1 role as evaluation role. Then level 2, you have project understand your leadership style, understand your communication style, and introducing it to your Toastmasters mentoring. Here you will have 3 speeches in this level. And level 3, you have 1 mandatory project workshop based on path. And all 13 levels are 13 electives are there, out of which you have to select 2 electives. And before completing this level 3, you have to do Toastmaster of the day and table topic master and evaluator role. Then only your project submission will be approved. So project level 4, we have 1 mandatory project and there are around 8 electives, out of which you have to select 1 elective. So mandatory 1 and 1 elective. Various subjects are there, you can select. And demonstrating expertise level 5, where mandatory project is 1, and out of 5, you have to select projects, any one, and also more than that, there will be last reflect on your path. With that, your ends, your 1 path ends. Level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. Now the question is, who can do these pathways? One is paid member. Once you're paid membership, then only you are activated. Second, registered member on portal. You have to go to Toastmaster International portal and register yourself. That will show in the demo. So where you can do is this data updation online, no cumbersome procedures, and speech presentation in club. Can we do the speech outside the club? Anybody?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, we can do, but you have to inform the VP.
Correct. VP education. Absolutely right. Speech presentation, other clubs as per the slot you can do. I have done my speeches in many other clubs, so even my electives. So we have to inform your VP education and you have to do it. Then finally, why pathways? This is very important. Pathways is very easy. What we decide, it's not so difficult. We have we have entangled with this difficult. It's not difficult. It's very easy. Only you have to understand it. It's little bit tech savvy is required, but it can be taken care. And 11 specialized learning paths to choose from. Opportunity to build 300 unique competencies. Online content, access anywhere, anytime, fingertips. Real world transferable skills available in 11 languages. This is why. So I define this as 4 C's of pathway. One is great content. I am doing it. Always I have taken 4 paths. Second is completion. Other 2 I have initiated. I am doing it 4 paths. And convenience, clarity is there. Every project is beautifully explained. Most of it's cost effective. One of my friend Toastmaster always says it is equal to 1 cup of Starbucks coffee. For that, you will get such a big education material. Any online course you will not get. For members, first path is free, but second path, it just costs $20. So that much content and opportunities are there. And moreover, when you present your speech, you will get a very constructive free feedback from all your members. So that is very important, where you don't get other place. So you can develop yourself instantly, continuously. So how it has to be done? You have to log into this www.toastmasters.org. and you start login. I'll show you demo briefly after this. And you choose a path. This is the login page where it will land. And finally, every level you complete, you will get a certificate signed by international president and CEO of Toastmasters. This is one of the achievement of this. It is automatically loaded in your portal. You can get it once completion of your each level. It's a level completion, not a project or speech completion. It is level completion. Every level completion, you will get it. And important Distinguished Club program. I know it's very early for us. Already we know this is DCP program for club. Club has to recognize out of this education, 6 months come under DCP from education. So if 4 members complete level 1, we'll get 1 DCP. 2 members complete level 2, we'll get 1 DCP. And additional members level 2, 1 DCP. Like that, 6 goals will get from education. Now you understand why your VP education is behind you. Please complete your plan and do these levels, because club has to distinguish one of the most important points. 60% points are in this education. So that's very important as to complete the levels. And one of the most advanced educational reward in Toastmaster is Distinguished Toastmaster. To attain this, you have to complete 2 parts and 1 DTM project. So completing 2 parts, that's very important. But other conditions are same as before. Serving as a club officer for 12 months and participating in district-sponsored club officer training program, that's got. Serving as a club mentor or coach. Serving as a club sponsor for conducting Speechcraft by YLP. Serving as a district officer 1 year, completing DTM project. Once you finish your first part and 3 levels of second part, you have to write to Education Toastmasters to unlock your DTM project. They will send those details, then you have to do the DTM project. So this is the chart for becoming DTM in pathways. So for 2 parts, very important. Rest all old. 1 DTM project after second level 3 of second path. You can start working. Then you will get DTM. So some of the basic computer requirements, what is required for a computer that we all of us know. So hardest part of any project is getting started. So when? Immediately. So let's move on to now. Do you have any questions still here? I know I went a little faster. It may go because of the time restrictions, and individual I can always connect all of them anytime. But you have any questions till here? Shall I briefly show the demo?
Yes.
Okay, okay, sure. Sorry for this technical, my screen is not getting this thing. Let's make it. Okay. So let me briefly go to the screen. So whenever you log in, you just go to www.toastmasters.org. I've already saved it here on my screensaver. So this is the site, you can see www.toastmasters.org. So once you are in, you have to click this login. If you are a first time, just write your email ID and just write forgot password. The moment you click forgot password, one mail will go to your email. Please remember the email which you should use, same email when you are given your new membership registration. Or anyone who has even old members you are using first time, the email should match as exactly as Club Roster. If you are doubt, you can talk to us, any of the office bearers, we can give you from the Club Roster, we'll give you which email your ID is there in the database. Then you put your mail, first time if you're logging, put your email ID here, put forgot password, and it will, you will get a mail in your mailbox. Just activate it, put password and register. Come back here. Again, you put this email ID. Then also you put your password. And there is a chat mode. It automatically activated once you go to this site. Anything you can chat with chatbot. So once you put your login, you will be going to this site. I think some server down today. Sometimes they have their maintenance of site. I think bad luck today. There is a site is an issue. Okay. I think there is a site problem today logging in. I will try to show that. It's not opening. Now I think there's some maintenance going on the site. I'm unable to log in and get in.
Sir, site is unavailable, it's coming.
Yeah, it's not happening. I think it was happening in the evening. Now it is not available. Let me check whether I can give you check with other presentations. Yeah, where I have that so that you can, yeah, okay. I briefly I'll show the other presentation which already on my this is only PowerPoint. You can see this now. Yeah. So once you enter here, you will get. Once you go to that, you will log in. Then you will get these three. Once you log in, you go to a Basecamp, click there, and you will see these three tiles. So here, first time when you click, you continue to path selection. You can click that, or even whenever you want a second path. Once you click this here, it will take you to assessment page. So first it will have Basecamp printed. Now we don't do printed material. You just click here as a take your assessment. Then it will ask you in a language English. Many languages are available now. Chinese, even Tamil, it has started. So you click here, not a printed material, just click digital resources via Basecamp. Once you select digital resource, it will ask you. There are two ways. You can directly select the path or you can take assessment. Once you take assessment, continue. This will show you all the paths. You can select directly paths or you can go with the assessment. Assessment is simple question. They will ask some aptitude question, whatever you want. According to your answers, computer will give you which path is better. But for new Toastmasters, Toastmasters International always says start with presentation mastery. Once you are done this, your Basecamp will open. This page will open here. You can see Here you open it, paths and learning, it will be there. Whichever your path you have selected, that will be shown here. See, like this, and you select your Basecamp. Here, if you have any doubt, please see this navigation. Lot of navigation is there, and it also has a lot of tutorials video, so you can also learn. So once you go to click your, for example, this is motivational strategist path you have selected. Once you click that path, once you are registered and you select the path, that path will be opened in your Basecamp. So once you click that, these are the levels will show. You can see your 5 levels. Sorry, I could not show you a live demo because of internet issue. You can see my screen, I believe.
Yeah.
Can you see level 1?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are the 5 levels. Now level 1 opens, each project is here. You click Icebreaker and you just activate this project. Icebreaker project will be activated. Once it is activated, you can launch it. Once you launch, then you will, accordingly it will take to your page where you will understand what are the guidelines and everything. Once you're finished, there are 2 important things. Maybe I will give you one more demo. Whoever want to personally, you can connect me whenever free. I will show you. So once you finish this, the right mark will come. Now, for example, you see a 70% finished, level 1 completed. So finally, you activate your certificate will be stored here. So this is to indicate this right mark that you have completed. So after completing speech in club, before doing the speech, you'll go here, understand the resources, what is project, what is evaluation resource, everything you understand. Then present the speech in club. And at the end of the speech, you go back to your site, you say, I have completed it. Then this right mark will come. Once level completed, you will go to next level. Then mark complete. The moment you mark complete, it will go to a message, will go to VP Education President and Secretary. VP Education will approve your level. The moment you approve, there will be a certificate that will be stored in your folders. So these are the completion badges. Same way certificate will be stored in a level, you can download it. So this is for Basecamp managers, especially for VP Education and all. So this is all about this. So unfortunately, I could not show you online today. So to end with, pathways is very simple. There are around 11 paths, which will be given in online portal. You will log in and there is a menu driven. Easily you can download where you will have a problem, some doubts. Once you activate and launch, then go to the next page. Now I could not show you because of lack of internet, server down. But what we will do, whenever you are new members you want, you can connect me one-to-one. I can share the screen and teach you anytime, any problem. I think I'm up with the timer.
First time you took 17 minutes and this demo you took 9 minutes.
So what is time is up for me, right?
Exactly. 27
thank you very much. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day. Thank you for your patient listening. Any questions, you can directly WhatsApp me. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Now it's a wonderful session. I think you all enjoyed it. We all are pretty much up to date. Pathway session. Okay, and I think I don't think anyone's ready for the next session because it's table topics, and I don't think anyone's supposed to be ready. So, okay, and it's going to be held by another past president of the club and the past Area 5 director as well. And he's the apparently nice husband who I was talking about earlier, as described by his wife. So, Toastmasters helped him get rid of helped him get rid of the fear of public speaking. And his motto is to delete any self-doubts that come in pursuit of excellence. Please help me in welcoming Toastmaster Sunil Kumar.
Thank you, Toastmasters of today, fellow Toastmasters. Good evening once again.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Before I go further, I just would like to ask our TMOD, how do you manage to keep a smile on your face always? Is it something you practice some yoga or something like, or is it by genes?
By genes.
I don't know. No matter how much I try, I look very serious, especially when coming on the screen. I look very serious.
Who
Is
said?
this because always I am with my wife? Could be.
Who said? I have never seen you serious.
Okay, thank you. Let us masters. Let's move on to the agenda, that is table topic sessions. It is needless to say why the table topic is a part of Toastmaster education program. I guess we are all Toastmaster members today. Just I would like to share a brief of table topic table topics in Toastmasters. Table topics helps members to practice the art of improvisation and help us to think on our feet. This helps us to develop 4 vital communication skills. Fellow Toastmasters, 4 vital communication skills, namely listening, thinking, organizing, and delivering. The topics that are prepared for you today hopefully help to develop better at improvisation. Since in Toastmasters meeting, it wants to give everyone opportunity to speak, be it be a role players or a guest. So today, I guess we have all assignees. We will try to have sessions. I will try to ask questions from members. Maybe we will have assignment. So let's move on with table topic comments. Table topics for today's session. So my first topic for today, from the year 2020, what are the things you would like to copy and what are the things you want to delete? From the year 2020, what are the things you would like to copy and what are the things you would like to delete? So since all of us are having assignments, I guess since long time Toastmaster Vijanayak has not spoken, so I would like to ask Toastmaster Vijanayak to comment on this topic. Toastmaster Vijanayak, over to you.
Good evening, table topic master, fellow Toastmasters. What a wonderful topic to speak about 2020. What we have to pick up from 2020 and what we have to delete is the question. Of course, 2020 definitely has created a big pandemic, a big problem in every problem, which of course we cannot do anything, but at least the fear of it we can delete from our heart, from our mind. We don't want to take that fear to 2021. We have lost many people in this year, millions of people, millions of our dear and near ones. Of course, we cannot do anything for that, except we can only pray that 2021 will be a safer year. And what we have to take from 2020 is the lessons we learn, the lessons the whole world has learned, the inventions from the researchers, whatever they have done, the confidence the front workers like the doctors, nurses, and all those staff has challenged the world, that they are ready to face the consequences. These are the things, positive things we can take towards with us to 2021, so that if in future any of such pandemic comes, we are ready to face such war with the greater etiquette. So this is what we are all with 2020, and let us go to 2021 with confidence.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vijanayak. So moving on to my next table topic. They say there will be an opportunity in every calamity. They say there will be an opportunity in every calamity. What opportunities do you see? What opportunities do you see in this pandemic? Toastmaster Helisa, would you like to comment?
Good evening, everybody. If you don't mind, could you repeat it for me?
Sure. They say there will be an opportunity in every calamity. What opportunities do you see in the pandemic?
I think it's a beautiful topic. Yes, opportunities in this pandemic situation, you can see a benefit to it, I feel, because even though, for example, we had the, I think, 500 meeting, that was where there were almost 150 people who attended it. So if that meeting was in the club, I don't think we would have that many people attending it and, would have an exposure to it. So that was an opportunity for many people to come together and see how the meetings were conducted, how people speak and everything. So I feel like though it's not exactly like a, you shouldn't see it as a pandemic, as a obstruction, but rather an opportunity where even online you can connect through people, you can stay in touch, you can work towards building up your achievements. Even for that matter, I have joined in at a time in this pandemic situation, so I feel like I am having the time in hand to take this as an opportunity to learn something. Because we are all at home, everyone has a little bit of free time to spare, so we can do something or the other. There is always an opportunity to improve in life. So I think even in this pandemic, if you look at it, it has brought in a lot of perspective to many people, even though it has laid a setback on certain things. But I think we should just think of it as an opportunity and a learning process. Over to you, Toastmaster.
Thank you, Toastmaster Lisa. Moving on to my next and last topic. Tell us few things that world would miss without computer and internet. Tell us few things that world would miss without computer and an internet. Toastmaster Shekhar. Toastmaster Shekhar is there?
Yes, he is there.
Toastmaster Shekhar. I don't see. I think Toastmaster Shekhar is not there. So can I request Toastmaster Vinod to comment?
Can you please repeat the topic? I couldn't hear it.
Sure. Tell us few things that world would miss without computer and internet. Madam, am I clear? Am I audible?
Sorry. So table topic, fellow Toastmasters. What the world can miss without computer and internet. Yes, I can relate this to this current situation, pandemic situation. If there was no computer internet, we wouldn't have had these virtual meetings. Our professional, communication skills, leadership skills, it would have come to standstill. That's the most important one thing. And the second thing is, all the kids would have lost 1 year of their precious time, because everybody wants to finish their education and the degrees fast and earning, because they feel that the giving exams is a tedious job. So everybody in a haste to finish that. So if there was no internet, if there was no computer, definitely everybody, all the kids would have stayed at home, and it would have become a very big pain to the parents, especially to the mother managing them, working mothers, even those mothers who are at home, and without studying for 1 year, without any educational, their knowledge would have come to stand still, and it would have been very difficult for them to continue with the same seriousness and enthusiasm. So I think this is the one thing which we would have missed without a computer and this thing. So we are very glad for all these innovations and more and more innovations day by day, because when we started, Zoom it was very, everybody used to say it's very unsafe, and it was, it was just a basic thing. But as we started using, it has developed, and it has come to now advanced versions also. So we are gaining more and more with this computer and internet. Our knowledge is increasing. I also learned so many things about Zoom, internet, webinars, everything. I didn't know anything. My knowledge was zero. So I got to know so many things about all these things. So that's the greatest advantage we have. So without computer knowledge, computer and internet, we would have lost all these things. Back to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Veena. I guess, fellow Toastmasters, we will conclude that TT session with this topic. So I guess the topics were simple and easy to comment. I hope everyone enjoyed commenting table topics. Over to you, Toastmaster, today.
Thank you for the session. I think everyone loved them and got many people have got out of surprise as well. So, okay, and now it's time for all of us to be evaluated by our very own club coach, the beautiful Manisha Laradora.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the Day, for that lovely introduction. Before going to the general evaluation session, may I call upon our timer for today, Toastmaster Suresh, to give his timer's report.
Good evening, fellow Toastmasters, once again. For the prepared speech, the first speaker, Andrea, took 7 minutes and 22 seconds. Second speaker, Sweda, taken 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Mr. President took total 26 minutes and 30 seconds for his demo as well as his explanation towards the pathways. Regarding the table topic, Mr. Vijay, TM Vijay took 2 minutes and 17 seconds. TM Eliza took 1 minute and 57 seconds. And TM Veena took 2 minutes and 3 seconds. That's it. Back to General Evaluator. Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Suresh. To give the evaluations, first, we had amazing speeches today. The first speaker spoke about how about our mindset, what could it be when facing the hardships of life. So to evaluate her, I would like to call upon Toastmaster Vijay Naik. Let's see whether her speech was a potato or egg or a coffee. Toastmaster Vijay, the stage is yours. The screen is yours.
Good evening, General Evaluator and fellow Toastmasters. Water that softens the potato hardens an egg. What a beautiful opening. Our speaker, Andrea Lewis, brought out her topic. The purpose of this project was either to practice her skills needed to an unfamiliar audience or an unfamiliar topic to a familiar audience, according to me. I think the second one what she did, because the audience is familiar to her own home club. Only the difference is it's an online meeting. That otherwise it's not a physical meeting. So, but the unfamiliar topic, when she started saying this, of course, normally in our day-to-day life, we never bother. Water is water for us. But what the transformation happens with the water for one item and in comparison with the another, this we don't notice. The same thing, the life with us also, the transformation, what we are going on due to the situations around us is different. And of course, as humans, we have a control on that. This is what she wanted to give a message at the end. So she beautifully brought out 3 items, which is potato, the egg, and the coffee beans. And she beautifully explained in her beautiful language. I have seen Andrea always speaking with a very soft, adequate manner, and also very good English she has, very good grammar she has. So those are her assets. So using all her assets, she has brought out a beautiful speech, which is as per the objectives required in her pathways. So secondly, what she could have done better, this is also important. Now, she could have brought out for the demo purpose 3 cups of water and 3 items also, like those 3 items. And she could have said, definitely when she, especially when she brings the coffee, we are all tired people, so we always feel like having a cup of coffee. You know? So I was thinking actually, evening we are tired. So this would have been a different experience, different meaning, different message it would have gone. Otherwise, everything was found. Only the sound part, she could have increased the sound. So otherwise, all the best in her topics. So let her, she can go ahead with her next project. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you, Toastmaster Vijay. Next to evaluate our second speaker, the speaker who spoke about dramatic coin, her niece Rakshana, and gave us a beautiful message of blessings of life. Let me call upon Toastmaster Veena Nagaraj to evaluate Toastmaster Sweta.
Roti, kapada, makan. If you have all these things, that is the greatest thing somebody has. And they are case peoples and the blessed people. General evaluator, fellow Toastmaster, and my speaker in particular. This is what my speaker is exactly wanted to convey through her speech. It's the greatest message what she has given today to all of us. Toastmaster Sweta, you started the speech with great opening with the examples of your niece and your friend. The niece, even after getting 100 out of 100 marks, how she's always worrying and unhappy. But at the same time, you are even with the less marks also, how he or she is very bubbly and happy all the time, like was getting a Nobel Prize. So this exactly tells the two mindsets of each of us. So your opening was very amazing. It was we all got glued to your speech with this opening. Then you went on lighting speeds in a string by telling one by one experiences. You stressed how unhappy and worrying all the time for silly things also, and we all are with so many things, with the food and the good things, which is a blessings for us. When we count or when we have gratitude towards these things, how our blessing is. You also said that we should thank for what we have by giving personal experience. You also said some Gideon, what was published in the Gideon, all the criticism also, and you also tried to read how your flat owner who tried to, who had reduced, and when you sent the gratitude, he reduced for another 3 more months, and your accounts have increased. You also showed your gratitude to all masters, because this is also one type of blessing, your personal growth. So by counting our blessings, certainly our blessings will increase. You also ended by saying that we always should count our blessings, and blessings is not just money or something, it is in other forms also, like your personal growth also. Overall, you had good, those 3 P's, that preparation, presentation also very good, and you also had practice quite well. But still, in my room of recommendation, you still have room improvement. So 1 or 2 points which I want to give is, you please come out of that inhibition. Just try to open your arms and see direct eye-to-eye contact. So this will improve your confidence level also. And still you have 1 minute left. Use that 1 minute appropriately by giving 1 or 2 examples. It also improves your quality of speech also. Other than that, it was a very good speech. Congratulations. It was much back to G.
Thank you, Toastmaster Veena. Today we started the meeting with Sergeant at Arms explaining, and he did his role very well. Professionally, he set the tone to the meeting and very calmly started the meeting. Then we proceeded to presidential address and the business session. Mr. President started his presidential address with a quote, which I love: 10% of what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. He had a very unique presidential address, which I haven't heard in Toastmasters before. He explained thumb rule using a Mahabharata story. Amazing speech, loved it. Business session was conducted very professionally. It was closing of the session was proposed and seconded. It was very well done. Next, the MC of the meeting, Toastmaster Julian Pinto. Control, Alt, Delete. What an innovative, creative theme it is. Throughout the meeting, you were cheerful, calm, cool, and very well handled the meeting. You had personalized introductions for speakers, evaluators, everyone very well done. Great preparation. Even at the WhatsApp, we saw how enthusiastically you posted messages and the posters. Great preparation. Beautiful message with the MC comments: delete negativity and never give up. Inspirational message with the MC. Timer Toastmaster Suresh explained the timing criteria very well, and I love how he spoke without looking at a script. He personalized and explained the value of timing and did the role very well. Then we go to the man of the day, Toastmaster Shahjahan. Grammarian, accountant, listener. He's doing 3 roles. We are yet to get the reports, but for now I'm speaking about the introduction. He also did not look at the script, spoke without looking at the script, which I love a lot, and great selection of a word, etiquette. Joke Master, Toastmaster Helisa was amazing. She did it very efficiently, made everyone laugh. Her vocal variety, characterization, facial expressions was excellent. Heart's presentation done by Mr. President, it was very well prepared, very well researched presentation. Even without logging into the Toastmasters website, he was able to show what pathways is, what are the benefit of it, and how to access it. Very well done, very well prepared, amazing work by Mr. President. Table topic master Toastmaster Sunil came up with beautiful table topics, and all the commentators were Toastmaster Vijay, Toastmaster Helisa, and Toastmaster Veena spoke eloquently, confidently, and professionally. Very well done. Great table topic session. For us to improve, I noticed few things. General evaluator was changed, but it was not adopted, and it was not proposed and seconded. Usually in Toastmasters meeting, when we after introducing timer, our counter grammarian, we introduce general evaluator. So general evaluator get a chance to explain general evaluator's role before we move on to the speeches. This I could not see in the agenda, as well as it was not done. Each club have their cultures. If KCT doesn't have this practice, I recommend you, it's better to introduce the general evaluator. When we are login, we can change our names. If we can display as what I have done, GE, if we can do timer, our counter grammarian, speaker evaluator, if we can change our names and roles, it will be very easy for speakers to locate the timer, for table topic masters to locate who are not doing any roles at the meeting, and even to, it will be easy if a guest login in to know who the president is, who the vice president is. So when we log in next time, it's better if we can show the role that you are performing in the meeting on that day. I love how the role players did their introduction, but I noticed that some points were missing. For an example, timer forgot to say there is a 30-second grace period after the red light. And our counter, it's not only R and there are repeating words, crutch word like actually, and if you can make general points that we can use at every meeting, and each role player can have access and make their script depending on those points. Have some bullet points which could be there in the role player's description. And when we show our general evaluator, timer, counter, grammarian could show his word of the day. So we will be reminded whenever we see him on the screen that to use the word of the day etiquette. One more thing, since grammarian, our counter, listener, all three roles are done by one Toastmaster. I recommend that each person get one role at a meeting. If we don't have enough Toastmasters to perform these roles, it's better to reach out to the other clubs. In this way, this will strengthen the bond with the other clubs in area and division level, and club members will get the chance to see how the other clubs perform the same role differently, and they will be able to learn from it. And other Toastmasters will get a chance to participate and learn from you also. Today we had a wonderful pathway workshop. If we could get other Toastmasters to join, even though they can't be members, the relationship between them will become strong. Reach out to BITP, DTM Khalid Jalal, even Sri Lanka Club Symposium. There are Toastmasters who are willing to go out and perform roles in the other clubs. Overall, I love the meeting. It was very well done, greatly prepared, very professional, and I love the atmosphere of the meeting. It was very calm, very welcoming. Everyone was clapping, encouraging, and I love the fun comments that Mr. President and others posted in the chat box. This shows the bond and the culture and the pride the members have for their club and how they own the club. Very well done meeting. So proud of you all. Now, let me call upon timer for today to give the timers taken by evaluators.
Toastmaster Suresh, can you unmute, please?
Good evening, Toastmasters, once again. The
Good
first
evening.
evaluator, TM Vijay, took 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Second evaluator, TM Veena, took 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Back
Thank
to
you,
you.
Toastmaster Suresh.
Back to
May
you.
I call upon Toastmaster Shahjahan to give grammarian's report?
Good evening, Madam General Evaluator, Toastmaster Manisha, fellow Toastmasters, and guests as well. The grammarian, accounter, and listener all are like one job. It's just listening and observing how better usage or any errors like that. Anyway, it's went like that. This role also has come to me in a last moment, the grammarian role. I was supposed to be the listener only. Because of the dropping of Toastmaster Ansel, I took up the charge at the last moment, saying like general evaluator. And the word of the day, etiquette, was selected by Toastmaster Ansel, and we introduced the word. And unfortunately, the word was not much used by everyone. It was used by only 2 Toastmasters. One is Toastmaster Vijay. He used in his table topic as usual. He does as usual. He does, and in his evaluation as well, he did. And another Toastmaster is Toastmaster Manisha in the general evaluation. Twice the word used. Both are twice used the word etiquette. And coming to the and I didn't find much kind of grammatical errors. It's slight simple errors were there. These are like what to say, the use of vowels and the singular and plural. That time, how to use that. That only it has come. It's not major errors I have noticed. I haven't noticed. And coming to the accounter role, there were a lot of as and ums were used. Particularly, Toastmaster of the day was talking 3 times, and his as were 7 times. And coming to Toastmaster Vijay, there were 5 times as were there. And Andrea, the first speaker, was using the word well many times. The repetition word came. And Toastmaster Veena as were 8 times were there. Toastmaster Shweta in her speech, she was using the word so. Many times it happened. And as were there also in her speech. And Toastmaster Felisa, there were 1 A. And Toastmaster Manisha, there were 3 A's in the speech. And apart from that, the rest all are fine with the speech. And listeners' report, shall I give now or later?
It's best to give later, Toastmaster Shahjahan.
Okay, then that's all. Back to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shahjahan. With those reports, I hand over control back to our Master of Ceremonies.
Okay, that was a nice and brief evaluation report. Now it's supposed to hand control back to the president. So, yeah. I hope everyone, all of you enjoyed the meeting today. Okay, back to you, President.
Thank you, Toastmaster of the day. Control or delete, come to a halt. Thank you very much for that wonderful theme. And thank you very much, General Evaluator, for giving us valuable suggestions, technical suggestions, and also suggestions which can develop our meeting better. Thank you very much. The etiquette of Toastmaster is adapting for the changes. The etiquette of Toastmaster is also learning, developing, and going more stronger. So every role in this meeting helps us towards this. So let's have an etiquette of learning and developing ourselves better. With that thought, I think we have just released a poll. Can you vote, all of you? Only 6 of you have voted out of 11. Can you please vote?
We saw only speakers.
Yeah, only best speaker. First I've released only speaker. Only only I've released the speaker or this thing. But let us select best speaker first, then I'll release other polls. At least 10 votes should come, except host. 3 more votes. Okay, maybe 2 more votes I need. Okay, I'll close the polling. I'll go for the next polling. Thank you very much. Now I'm releasing best evaluator poll. Can you please vote?
It didn't come. Best evaluator.
Can you check? I already released it. All I've got, no?
No. I did not
Okay.
receive.
No.
Have you got
Ah,
now?
Now it's
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, thank you. Sorry for that technical glitch. Thank you very much. I am going to end the poll now. Okay. So let me go to the last poll, table topic master. Table topic presenter. Okay, thank you very much. With that, we concluded the polling. So before going to announce the result, once again, thank you all of you. It's a great meeting, and let me announce the result now. So best table
President,
topic. Yeah,
we still have listener session.
pardon me?
Listener session.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I missed it.
Can I?
Yeah, sorry. Over to you, Toastmaster Shahjahan.
Hi, good evening once again all. The listener role, this is the first time I do, and it's quite interesting. I feel I have selected some questions out of this. Let's go through that. First one is, what's the name of the gift to Guru that Preston mentioned?
Ekalavya.
Dronacharya.
Thumb.
Correct.
Dronacharya.
Second one, who are the two great personalities that Toastmaster of the Day quoted in his speech?
Abdul Kalam and Steve Jobs.
Two personalities that Toastmaster of the Day.
Steve Jobs, Abdul Kalam.
What is the question? What is the question, Toastmaster?
What are the two great personalities, great persons that Toastmaster of the Day quoted in his introduction speech?
Sushant and Abdul Kalam.
APJ Abdul Kalam.
Very good, very good. How many paths are in pathways?
11.
Oh, Toastmaster is good. It's a very active listener. All questions is answering.
One tough question I want to ask. Toastmaster Shweta is not authorized to answer for that. What's the name of Shweta's niece? What's the name of Shweta's niece?
Can I tell?
Husbands are not allowed.
Yeah, husband and wife both are not allowed.
Conditions apply. Family members not allowed.
Rakshana.
Repeat, please.
Rakshana.
Rakshana.
Correct answer.
Correct. Good. Toastmaster Amisha, very careful listening.
Yes.
Manish.
And I would like to ask, how many languages in Pathways?
20. 24.
Pathways available in how many languages?
24.
Except the Pathways ambassador can answer. I didn't get the correct answer yet.
12 or 6, I don't know.
Vijay is approximately near to that.
15.
8, maybe 8.
5.
No.
7, 8, 9, 10.
If you go like that, it's easy.
26.
Pick up one.
But still no one mentioned that number.
Oh, really?
13 it is.
My God.
It is 13.
11 languages.
11.
And one more. Which is the Indian language available for Pathways?
Tamil.
Yes, Tamil, right.
Yes. And one more question I will conclude with Pathways itself. What are the 4 C's in Pathways?
Yeah,
4 C's.
Content, clarity,
Yeah.
Great.
convenience,
Yeah. Main PWC factory you left. PWC factory left.
But wonderful. You carried that much, no?
Toastmaster, Suresh, you are a very active listener, huh?
Yeah, very active listener. Appreciate. One more only.
Any gift for the maximum answers?
You got 80%. The last one you missed, that is cost effective.
That is cost.
Great job. I think I can conclude with that. Otherwise, it will go like that. Our time is over.
Thank you very much, Toastmasters, and very interesting. You made it very lively. All were involved and nice questions. And your listening power also we can understand while asking the questions. You all listen very carefully. So thank you very much for that. And with that, before closing, let me announce today's results. Best table topic presenter goes to any guess?
Toastmaster Elisa.
Absolutely right. Oh, even your guessing is right. Actually, best role player today goes to Toastmaster Suresh. So the best table debater today goes to Toastmaster Elisha. Congratulations. And best evaluator goes to any guess?
Toastmaster Veena.
Yeah. That goes to Toastmaster Vijay Nayak as per the vote. Okay. Both were neck to neck. One vote decided the winner. So next. That's why I was waiting for one extra vote. I said vote during evaluation. So next, best speaker goes to, even that was very tough, goes to Toastmaster Andrea. So congratulations to all the winners. Great. All young ladies and women have done very well today. Today is for us Women's Day. All the roles major taken by women's. So with that, meeting number 504 adjourned. VP Education will coordinate with you for the next meeting. Thank you very much. Have a great night and great week ahead. Be safe. And when you go out, kindly wear mask and save yourself from the pandemic. Thank you.
Jagas.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. It was great associating with you all. Now officially meeting ends